remember we met. I could tell by your smile you hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned, now I'm up all night.
And Wagtails is great on frequent work. Coming soon to a supplier near you. And that's how you get her done with Wagtail tools. How bad this mamma jamma is. Now there's 8, so that's 16 bays, right? Oh, so wait a minute, I gotta calculate that over. Now I marked it right there so you can see. And this tool just blows all to starve out there without that nut. Just like it's gonna be a new way of cleaning. That's gonna, while the getting's good, or I don't know what the
coldest of nights, yeah.
All my Wagtails I have in the trunk, that ain't even half of them. Those are my kids, man. That's only a portion of the kids. Hell, man, I ain't no joke. I'm telling you, man, you ain't got nothing on me with those Wagtails.